name is Nonima Tikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Mshololo. Mshololo, no judge, Rata Mukwahleng. Oh, Sanalab. Oh, I am so impressed with Advocate Mshololo's cross-examination. It has not even begun very well. It was just at the starting point. We said we started point Gesana. Kwashuba is a starting point. So, Advocate Mshololo, I've heard that there is a notice of rights that has been read in the court, and you have also been referred to an OB entry wherein Mr. Ntanzi was detained under Nongoma, case 163 of 10/2018. Khumalo ati, yes, I saw that. Mshololo ati, so it means that Mr. Ntanzi was detained under the Nongoma, case 163 of 10/2018 that was not being investigated by Mr. Mokgane. Khumalo ati, that is correct, as it was being investigated by me. I was the investigating officer. UIO is not Mokgane, UIO Bukhumalo. Urata angenelele kuma umgeneleli athi kups nako kujudge Ratha kups yangena emasini ke sana phakathi athi. But for me, that does not make sense. How would Mokgane know? How would Mokgane know the case number? Are you with me? Are you with me? Aye, wait. Sisaba with you how? Sisaba with you how? Mshololo ati, I don't know, my lords. Ati, my lords. Ati Urata. Common sense tells me, wait. Gininda was here when we were dealing with the confessions and what have you. One of the allegations was that this involves the Buthelezi brothers. Do you remember that evidence? Advocate Mshololo ati, yes, my lord. Urata, take it from there. You will see the pieces. So for me, with my experience, I'm sorry to brag. Acha brega, Gesan. I'm so surprised that there is a person called Buthelezi in Nongo. When I followed the case, how it was unfolding, there were two Buthelezis and one was said to be in prison. And when Gininda went there, they found that that person is dead, etc., etc. Hibo. That's how you go about investigations. So it's like these guys were chasing an unexistent human being. Gininda went to the airport. They went to Natal, etc., etc. Hey, so you can take it from there. Hang on, before we go to Mshololo. Why is Mshololo going to take it from there, Judge? Why must you tell Mshololo how to conduct a cross-examination? Why is it you telling her what to do? Mshololo. Yes, my lord, the problem here is that the person is arrested and detained on a case that does not exist. And the court is asking me, where does Mokgane get this case now? That is what we are trying to show the court, that Mokgane fabricated the evidence, my lord. Urata. No, fine. You are right, because you are busy with the case of Senzo. You are busy with the case of Senzo, and there is an epiphyx of the so-called Buthelezi brothers. They emanate from that case. As far as I was following the evidence, you can ask your brothers. What the hell? Mshololo. And my lord, the case that they referred the court to, it's a false case. It doesn't exist. That is what we are trying to establish with this witness. That is what we are clarifying with this witness, my lord. Urata, you've heard me. Okay, fine. You know, when he goes like that, put defeated. He knows you are not going to allow him to bully you. When he goes, okay, fine, you've heard me. He's bullying you, and he's like, Futek, do whatever you want. That's not what he said. He did not say party. That's, in a nutshell, my understanding of he's doing. For Advocate Mshololo, that is what we are clarifying with this witness, my lord, to say that case that Mokgane referred this court to, whether it's for Buthelezi and Buthelezi, it's a false case. Whether it's for Buthelezi and Ntanzi, it's a false case that does not exist. That's what this witness is telling this court. Urata. Okay, he never said it's a false case. Aibo! Advocate Mshololo, it's a false case. It does not exist, my lord. Urata, it may not be registered. My brother, just educate your sister here. You know whether it exists or not. That's when Mshololo lost the marbles. Oh, she lost all of them, Kesana. Because what do you mean I need to be educated? When you are the one who is doing what, jumping up and down here, you are being a prosecutor and you are busy defending the state. Oh, here, that's when Umshololo, I for sure know she lost it, Gesana, when she was being gaslit like that by Urata. Ati Ukumalo, there's only one case that exists, and it's this one. Urata, registered. That is the word we should use, not exist, because you can't vouch to the existence of the case of the case. Oh, guys, at this point, hey, how do you register a case and then it's not on the system? It may not be registered, my brother. Just educate my sister here. You know whether it exists or not. Okay, Sigaglandat, Urata, registered. That is the word we should use, not exist, because you can't vouch to the existence of the case. Ukumalo ati, I'm sorry, my lord, the case that was registered. Urata, that is the language for you. Haibo! But the case that was registered is not a murder case, and they are saying that's the case that Ntanzi was arrested for, which is fabricated. It does not exist in murder case on 163. Here came Ibom at Umshololo, but the case does not exist if it's not registered on the system of the SEPS, my lord. Urata, oh, you must know defeated again when he says, oh, Umshololo, this one that Mukhane referred the court to does not appear anywhere on the system of the SEPS. Urata. Consequently, it does not exist. Umshololo, it doesn't exist. Let us not be shy to say that. Urata. Okay, fine. Umshololo, let's not protect the evidence, my lord. Urata. I'm not. Please. Advocate Umshololo, it does not exist, my lord. Urata, wait. I'm 80 years old. Okay, Advocate Umshololo, yes, my lord. Urat, I'm older than your father, Umshololo. Yes, my lord, I understand. Urata, treat me with respect. Aibo! This is him when he is defeated, Kesan. He does this. He does this when he is defeated. Ati Umshololo, Advocate Umshololo, I'm treating you with respect, but let's speak the facts, my lord. The case that Mukhane referred to does not exist, whether it's difficult to swallow, but it's the truth that exists. In that case, can I ask for the adjournment, my lord? I cannot proceed under these circumstances. I've been distracted. I need to cool myself down. Oh, the queen was pissed at this point. The queen was pissed. Urata, yeah, you can go out and cool down. I'm not getting it. I can't proceed today. Urata, ne, fine, no problem. When do you want us to resume? Tomorrow? Advocate Mshololo, yes, my lord. And then he goes on to ask a witness, are you available tomorrow? Say, Haibo, where Church Rata? That's what happened. Yes, and I was so proud of Mshololo. Not when I even lie. Jonga, I was so proud. When that incident was happening, how did you feel about it? What was going on with you? Because let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.